Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. On account of a fast-growing viewership from industry players across the world, our advertising rates have been revised higher with effect from November 1st, 2018. It is Tuesday, November 27th. I am Indra Singh. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices gained on Monday the biggest one-day rise in 8 weeks on the back of a steep climb in the US equity markets. WTI traded at $51.63, a rise of $1.21 per barrel, while Brent finished at $60.48, a gain of $1.68 per barrel. Open spec Naphtha prices meanwhile drifted lower by $13 per metric ton to the $472 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to feedstock news. Ethylene prices in Asia down adjusted on Monday. As availability continued to increase across the Asian region and demand for ethylene in Asia's key market of China waned, downward pressure was seen building on spot ethylene prices. Bearish upstream crude and naphtha values last Friday further supported the price drop. CFR Northeast Asia prices were assessed down at the $1,025 per metric ton levels, a fall of $20 per metric ton from last Friday's assessed levels. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed lower at the $940 per metric ton mark, a decline of $20 from last Friday. A tumble in upstream energy values last Friday, rising availability across the Asian region coupled with diminishing demand from downstream PP together wilted downward pressure on spot propylene prices in Asia on Monday. FOB Korea prices of propylene were assessed down at the $840 per metric ton levels, a slide of $30 per metric ton from last Friday's assessed levels. CFR China prices of propylene were assessed lower at the $880 per metric ton levels, a tumble of $35 per metric ton from last Friday. Import offers for PP and PE in India. A UAE producer has offered its PP and PE in India on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis for shipment in December 2018. PP homopolymer was offered at the $1,180 per metric ton levels. PP impact copolymer and PP random copolymer grades were on offer at the $1,220 per metric ton levels and $1,270 per metric ton levels respectively. HDPE film grade was offered at $1,120 per metric ton levels, while HDPE blow molding grade was on offer at the $1,150 per metric ton levels. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On November 27, 2018, LLDPE prices are higher by 55 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at the 8,540 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are up by 75 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at the 8,455 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are higher by 30 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at the 6,450 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Reliance Industries Limited is likely to restart its 315,000 metric ton per year polyvinyl chloride plant located at Dahej in Gujarat, India on November 27, 2018. The plant was shut in early second week of November 2018 for a maintenance turnaround. Polymerupdate is now on Google Assistant and Google Home devices. Just ask the right question about polymer-related news and prices. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers, makers of various ESD-safe products like anti-static conductive products. The company fabricates ESD furniture like workstations or tables, ESD chairs, ESD trolleys and shelves. The company also makes various master batches like anti-static, conductive, VCI, anti-rodent, HIPS, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Tuesday, November 27. This is Indra Singh. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.